over there?
Need any help, guys?
I think we can manage by ourselves.
Actually, can you turn that TV off? I can't hear myself. Think.
I will turn the volume down a bit.
Can you turn the light on? We need more lights in here.
Do it in yourself. I'm reading my magazine.
Okay, I'll do it.
Right. Let's read this instructions.
I can't be bothered. How difficult can it be to put together a bedside table?
We are right. We are right. It's a base of cake.
It's a piece of.
You just join this bits of wood together.
Okay, here are the screws.
Guys, I think you are missing something.
Leave it to us, Ali.
Yeah, we just read your magazine.
Whatever you
Whatever you
say.
say.
Oh, that's.
This can't be right. There are four holes on the top.
It's probably upside down. Let's turn it over.
Isn't it supposed to move around?
Omar.
Don't push it like that. You scratch it.
Maybe those holes are where you attach the wheels.
He has a point.
Wheels? What wheels?
Take a look in the box.
Thanks. Ali, how did you know it's needed wheels?
Because I'm clever. And there is an advert for it here in my magazine.
Excellent. We use reflexive pronouns as objects of the verbs when the subject and the object of the verb are the same. I bought myself an expensive pair of shoes. We can use reflexive pronouns also after certain verbs with prepositions like talk about or to, take care of,
Yes,
say
yes,
to,
we are
etc.
ready.
Jazan, Jazan.
He never. Okay. So, Omar Farhan, read the first sentence and choose the correct reflexive pronoun in order to complete the sentence.
The saucepan was very hot and Susan burnt herself.
Herself. Why you choose herself? Because the subject of burn is Susan. It's a girl. So,
So you put.
number three. Abdulaziz
Myself.
myself. Excellent. Okay, number four. My dad usually fixes the car by
Himself.
Himself.
himself. Did you do that all by? Here you must think. You here is for singular or for plural. Just to complete the sentence, you will find this word kids. Kids. Well done.
Yourself.
Excellent. Yourselves. Are you talking to again? People will think you are crazy if someone speak to themselves.
Your,
Yeah,
Yourself.
your
yourself.
yourself.